Hello, welcome to Reds TV today. Today we're doing an 03 Silverado, my buddy's truck, checking it out. I'm gonna do a run the scanner. He just bought this truck. $1,500. It's got some issues. But no matter what the issues are, he decided he's gonna fix it up no matter if it needs a motor or not. It's got the 6.0, considered LS motor. Cold air intake, I guess it's got lift and da-da-da. Today we're gonna run the scanner on it. Got a Harbor Freight scanner. Can't remember what the Harbor Freight. Plug it in down here where the port is. We'll turn the key on. See what kind of codes we get here. Let it link up. Okay, yeah, this thing has a miss. Random misfire. Severity of 2 or 3. Repair immediately. Driving issues. Threats. Presence. But yeah, get pen and paper, write the code down. It says PO 300. Random misfire detected. Not for sure. I ain't really used this scanner a lot, but it does all kinds of stuff. As you see, ABS. Guess we'll try to clear the codes.
What you
PO
got?
300. I'm gonna start her up. As you can tell, it's got a good mist to it, and he's hoping the coil packs. There's something wrong with it. So yeah, it does sound a little crappy. Let me turn the key back on. See what code we come up with now. No, we don't want. No, we don't want to do a systems test. See, this stuff does lost of it. Only thing is bringing up a code now. Now we're going to live data. See if it has individual firing order or individual injectors on it. I don't think it's that complex. Tell me which cylinder. No, it's not. Like I said, it's just a little scanner from Harbor Freight. Helps you out. I ain't used it for a while, so I'm kind of really don't know how to work it. And they see it says no codes, but we know it's still missing. So what we're gonna do is I guess get a step ladder and pull plugs off one by one. Stay tuned with me for a minute. Okay, we're back. We got something to stand on, and this and that. We got a book here, and also looked it up on the internet, and PO300, which we kind of knew. Is a random multiple cylinder misfire detected. This is a handy little book, but it's really kind of outdated. It's kind of gotta have this stuff. So we don't know that. Lights still on? Oh, now turn your lights off. How about now? It's got some kind of auto crap lights on. Watch your fingers. Now what we're gonna do, like this, we'll unplug each cylinder like this. Just blow up to barely reach. Well, that cylinder really ain't doing nothing. That cylinder is hitting. That cylinder is hitting. That cylinder is hitting. Let me get it plugged back in there. That line on the way. That's on there. It was good. Okay. Step louder. Try to do this. That cylinder's in. That cylinder's in. That cylinder's in. The back two cylinders ain't hitting. That's not a bad sign. Probably running no exhaust, probably got burnt valves. So what we're going to do now is just pop the plug wire off and see if this bad boy's firing. So I got to get some pliers because these pull patches light you up. It ain't like the old day, you can just pull a plug wire off. I don't like what front cylinder number one acted either, so we're going to check that one out. But it was hitting, so we're going to check the basics. So hold on, let me get some pliers. I think might have a vacuum leak back here, probably a busted intake or something. Who knows? Alright, kind of behind the scenes, got some pliers that they make regular spark plug boot pullers, but kind of don't have gloves or the right pliers. So I put some electrical tape on these. I'm gonna stand up, pull them off. Already kind of pre-broke them because they're stuck on there. You really don't need to see me fighting them, but you gotta try to get them off without breaking them. So here we go. Hopefully I don't get shocked here. We have a weak fire, but it's firing, as you see. That thing should be truthfully jumping. Probably gonna have to do the pressure check on that cylinder. We'll probably pull another coil off and see how it got it off? No, not yet. Down here, check this out. I'm not getting shot. Bam. See, it has a very weak fire. That thing should be shooting. Shoot fire. Back over the thing. Guess it really don't matter. Let me try to break one of these other ones. Let's go to the other side so you can see better. Break one of these other ones.
We were running too long.
Try to do that. One cylinder seal on these. Blow wires off. That one broke, but it still worked. All right, start it back up. You just gotta take that apart and fix it, but right now we want to see what's going on. Well, this one really should be shooting apart. See how that thing? It's actually lighting me up. Woo! Shut off. Lighting me up. Well, I guess we're gonna see what's going on here. I guess we got time to make a little more video here. So hold on a minute. Well, I can't find my compression tester. I think I loaned the hose to somebody, but I got the top piece. But anyway, took a spark plug out. They're pretty black. He's gonna go get 2 coil packs.
Plugs and
wires.
See what happens.
And see what happens here. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.